There's other ways you can do that. You don't have one? Oh my god. Alright, so we're gonna delete some of these Warlock bonds. Yeah. I got like one of each Warlock bond. These are probably like so OG. Oh, wait, hold on, button. Like these are probably the really old OG ones. Just gonna dismantle them. That saves a lot of room. No. Don't go to party. Oh, don't you. Alright, there's my Big Chief 45. Here's my 56 regulator. Wait, what else? Those three I'm gonna keep. We gotta have one space open. We'll get rid of that one. This shotgun right here is way better. Double nickel. Oh, you guys see how many of them vengeances I have. Get rid of you. Wow, we're clearing some inventory.